Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI Fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi and today's installment is quite unique. I was asked by a friend how to say I'm going to cut my hair in TWI, right? So let's start off by one asking you what are you going to do or where are you going. So in TWI, where are you going is Wokɔ hene. So assuming that I come to you and I'm like, where are you going? Which is Wokɔ hene. You would say Mikoimiti. Mikoimiti is I'm going to cut my hair. But rough translation is actually Mikoimitri. Merekɔ is I'm going. Yi is remove. T is head. Nwing is hair. So if you want to roughly translate I'm going to cut my hair, it would be Mikoimitri or Mikocha mitri. Cha is cut. So Merekɔ is I'm going. Cha is cut. Tri is head. Nwing is hair. But in TWI, we usually don't say the whole tri nwing part. We just say Miko chamiti or Miko yimiti. So that's about it. So guys, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like the channel, and click on the bell button whenever, well, for future notifications. And please remember to actually put words that you want me to translate for you in the comment section for next time. So from me, Joseph, Kwesi, bye.